With April 15th approaching, NAZ Today's Kim Kraft sat down with Anthony Forshino, the Assistant Director for the Arizona Department of Revenue, to discuss how donations can affect your taxes this year.
The state of Arizona has an opportunity for taxpayers to decide in some ways where those taxes are directed. With me today is Anthony Forshino. You are the Assistant Director of the Arizona Department of Revenue.
Yes, sir.
Talk about that the issue a little bit. We do have this option.
Yeah, the tax credit is actually a way to take your tax dollar for dollar and decide where you're going to actually put it. In the sense of school tax credits, we have many tax credits, but some of the ones that are basically really important are the school tax credit. And there's two school tax credits. There's a school tuition organization tax credit, and that is the ones that you give to a school tuition organization who then give scholarships to students to go to private schools. There's two separate ones on that, and you can, as a single, you can give up to $500 for one and $1,000 for married, and on the second one you can also give $500 or $1,000. So as a married couple, you could give up to $2,000.
And that's the STO.
And that's the STO. There's also a public school credit, which is for $200 and $400, and that's for extracurricular activity. So you're giving to a school, and you're giving that donation to a school to be able to support extracurricular activity in that school.
And there's also a charitable contribution.
There's a charitable contribution which deals with, and a new one just came on board, and it's a charitable contribution, and this is for qualified charitable organizations that give to the working poor, and if they work with the working poor. The second one that came on now, which actually doubles the amount you can give, is for qualified foster care qualified organizations. So it has to have the same qualifications of giving to the working poor, but it's for organizations that help foster children.
That's
and so
good to know.
Additional. The only one of those credits is the school tuition organization credit. You can still give until April 15th and take it for this past year's tax return. Otherwise, you have to, if you give now, it would be for next year's tax return.
Right. So this had to be done by the 31st of December for this tax year.
For the public school and the qualified tuition or qualified charitable organizations. School tuition organizations, you can still give till April 15th and take it on your current tax return.
Okay. Well, that information will be included on our website, naztoday.com. Thank you, Anthony.
Thank you.